Do you want a plant that gives you a big cluster of pink flowers almost year round? But wait, this is called Panama Rose. Yet it's not a real rose at all. Let's explore this beautiful and easy to grow plant. So now start about the plant. This Panama Rose, scientifically known as Rondelatia leucophilia. It's a tropical evergreen shrub. And it's very important, this is not a typical rose plant. It doesn't have single rose flowers. Instead, it produces cluster of small star-shaped pink flowers, which together looks very attractive. It also had a mild fragrance and attracts butterflies. Someone told me that it smells like bubblegum. But yes, my experience is not like that. It's a very mild fragrance I got only at night. This is perfect for balcony garden, terrace gardens and outdoor spaces. So now, first thing first, that is about light requirement. Panama Rose loves sunlight. For best flowering, give it a full sun, maybe 5 to 7 hours daily. That is more sun, that means more flower clusters. You can see most of flowers are actually going outside of that grill because they are getting more sunlight. You'll get the clear idea about this flowering pattern. So now move to the next point, that is watering. This plant prefers moderate watering. Water when topsoil dries, avoid overwatering, but the soil must be moist. When it becomes very hard, that plants eventually dried. Yes, too much water often reduces flowering, so alternative day watering is the best. Now about soil mix, it is very important. Use a well draining soil mix. I am normally using a very typical soil mix for all of my gardening. I'll keep a link above the I button about the soil preparation. So it is very simple. This is garden soil, coco peat and compost. Good drainage helps healthy root growth. You can add if you have any other supplementary things also. Now about flowering and fertilizer. The highlight of this plant is beautiful flower clusters. For more blooms, liquid fertilizers every 15 days and vermicompost once in a month. For this type of pot, you can put 2-3 spoons of vermicompost. And this plant can bloom multiple times a year in warm climates. So it is very good plants for this Bombay weather. And yes, it is not that much common. So if you want to keep a rare plant, this is ideal. And it is very easily available in nurseries. Now about pruning. Pruning helps maintain a bushy shape with more cluster. See, in my balcony thing, I need to prune which is coming inside the window, because I cannot allow them to come inside because I cannot close this shutter. So plants are going outside. So it's a very non-symmetric growth, but yes, I have to do this. But yes, you have to trim the spent flower clusters and long branches. That more pruning means more branching and more flowers. Now about pest. This is not that much prone to pest. Occasionally you may see pests like aphids or mealybugs. Use neem oil spray weekly and keep your plants airy and clean. About propagation, it is very easy to propagate from stem cutting. Just plant a healthy cutting in moist soil and roots will develop in few weeks. So now this end of March is ideal time for this propagation. You can cut all these stems and then if I put this in the soil, definitely it will root and I'll get other plants. So remember, Panama rose is not a traditional rose, but its beautiful flower clusters make it even more special. Perfect for beginners and balcony gardeners. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Green Thumbs Guide. I'll meet you the next Monday. Bye till now. Let me know if you want to know about something about other plants. Okay, bye.